So this is the damage I sustained. Not too bad. Ooh, I just noticed the neighbor's tree. Yikes. Not too good. Yep. Still on emergency power. It's about 12:30 in the afternoon, Sunday. It is beautiful out here. I didn't have a chance to video much around here earlier because I was busy doing 500 other things, like clearing the driveway and getting emergency power routed to the neighbors, which we'll look at in a second. Alright, let's have a look at the power. The cables. Little telephone pole to keep the cord ends out of the water, because I was running short of cords here. My father's an electrician. He'd be impressed with this. But what are you gonna do? I got the cords tight, so they should stay put. That's why the bricks are on them. So now it's really windy out here. Anyway, thanks for looking.